Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you tired of seeing notification of someone going live often and you want to disable it? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable someone's live notification on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, tap on Push Notifications. Then scroll downwards, you will see Live Notification Settings. Tap on it. Choose the username you want to disable live notification of. A pop-up will appear. Tap on None. So that is how you disable someone's live notification on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.